Yeah, so imagine a future where electric vehicles are charged more efficiently, safely, and affordably.
I'm Jan Berends. I'm the project manager of ETUT, which is a doctoral network within the Marie Curie framework. In this project, we have 12 PhD students, also called early stage researchers, and they are working on two main topics: power electronics and electromagnetic compatibility. It's a mouthful, but EMC is much easier to say.
So my name's Alan Watson. I'm an associate professor in high power electronics at the University of Nottingham. This programme is a unique opportunity to work with experts across Europe, experts in EMC and in power electronics. Making transport greener is not straightforward, and just focusing on how you drive the wheels of a machine with a piece of power electronics is not enough. You have to consider the impact that the modern power electronics may have on electromagnetic compatibility, and whether that creates problems with such things as communications on the train itself.
I'm Tatiana Serdyuk. I'm head of ETUT project from Ukrainian State University of Science and Technology. I work at the Department of Automatics and Telecommunication. Our ESRs have strong support from industrial partners, Ukrainian Railways, Thales, Network Rails of the UK, and each ESRs have secondments during 3 months. Also, each participant take part in the IEEE International Symposium and Conference, workshops.
Within this project, we have 3 universities. We have the University of Twente in the Netherlands, we have the University of Nottingham in the UK, and the Ukrainian State University of Science and Technology in Dnipro.
12 young, clever people was chosen to take part in the project, and the people lives in different countries.
My name is Reyhan Eskandari. I'm a PhD student in ETUT project, and I am looking into power electronics in battery applications. And we are looking into batteries and assigned power electronics in a more distributed manner, also known as split batteries. And by this, we have a multi-level output with lower THD and a smaller filter. Also, we do not need extra balancer between these battery modules. Furthermore, we are also looking into different modulation techniques that are more suited for this kind of batteries.
My name is Regis Nibaruta from the University of Twente in power electronics. So today, electric vehicle chargers rely on isolation transformers and filters, which makes them bulky and expensive. So therefore, my research focuses on transformerless electric vehicle chargers, which utilizes advanced modulation strategies to meet safety standards. So by optimizing the power conversion process, we can change how electric vehicles are charged today, making them more accessible for consumers and helping to accelerate a more sustainable transportation ecosystem.
My name is Peyman Kuhi. I'm ESR number 9 in ETUT project. My research focuses on improving onboard energy storage system of electric train using multi-active bridge DC-DC converters. In onboard energy storage systems, we have limited power management. Also, we have some constraint in the space and weight of the system. So I'm trying to reduce the cost and also reduce the volume while keeping good power management, which hopefully will lead to more sustainable and effective electric trains for future.
I'm Catherine, a PhD student at Power Electronics and Electromagnetic Compatibility Group, and also an ESR at the ETUT project. My research topic is related to the design of active EMI filter for motor drive application. If we compare the passive filter, which are so bulky, expensive, and take more than 80% of the design system, the active filter can be more compact and can be used in many different applications. So my research is try to make these devices more compact and reliable to be used in this high power application.
My name is Mohammad Yasil. I am a PhD researcher within the ETUT project from University of Nottingham. I am currently working on power converters which employ high frequency transformers and increase the power density of the system.
My name is Paulo Riseño. I'm a PhD student at the University of Nottingham, and I'm working on wireless power transfer as an alternative for electrification in the UK. So far, in the UK, there is a lack of electrification, and my purpose is deliver some technical output in order to see is affordable or not to use this technology.
Ukrainian specialists have good education, experience, diligence, sharp mind.
My name is Ivan Strushko. I'm PhD researcher at the University of Twente. I'm doing my research on cognitive radio concept implementation for electromagnetic compatibility application. It includes measurement and adapting part, and I'm working on both. The implementation of cognitive radio concept significantly increase reliability of modern sensitive equipment and systems due to its ability to adapt to time-variant EMI environment.
My name is Radika Batnarevskaya. I am early stage researcher on ETUT project. My theme of my research is electromagnetic compatibility of railway supply system with new digital communication device.
Hello, my name is Sviatoslav Voskresensky. I'm from University of Nottingham. My research is called the optimal evaluation of the converter emissions for the first-time right design. And even though the naming sounds a bit complicated, in a nutshell what I'm trying to do is develop a new method for measuring the power converters and gathering the data from the measurement enough to build the model of the power converter. So then we could actually create the model which we could put in the simulation, and it drastically decreases the cost of the design process, accelerates that, and increase the chance for the final product to pass the electromagnetic test from the first chance successfully.
Tabar. I am the ESR 10 of the ETUT project and a PhD researcher from University of Nottingham. I'm doing research on time and frequency domain characterization of electrical railways, and with my research I aim to develop effective solutions for safe and reliable operation of electronic devices in the vicinity of electrical railways.
My name is Haft Hayalum from University of Nottingham. Currently I'm working on electromagnetic compatibility of a solid-state transformer for a railway substation system. So this work aims to identify the main source of electromagnetic interference and then how the mitigation techniques that we can apply to make them compatible within the system and then with the outside world.
ETUT project is one of the most and biggest projects in the Ukraine. This project gives Ukrainian university opportunity for academic mobility, access to the research, including access to the laboratories with the modern equipment and measurement devices.